What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here. Let's talk some Sui. And yes, for those of you that are asking, it's not Sui, it is Sui. That's what we're going to talk about. Get into some Sui crypto talk here because what we're seeing here on the charts are very, very interesting. And I'm going to get into all that. We're going to talk a little bit about the TVL that we're looking at within Sui, and I'll give you guys my outlook as we move forward. All right, because this is a very fascinating crypto that I have my eyes on, obviously for 2024 and beyond. So let's get down into it. Before we do, make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. And please let me know what you guys are doing within Sui. If you guys hold it, own it, or you're looking to buy it, I'm very curious as always. All right, but that's what we got. Remember, not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. These are just my opinions, okay? But we're going to get into the TVL talk and how Sui has been tanking, okay? And what is the outlook, right? Because we're looking at the charts and seeing a little bit of a squeeze, okay? The TVL has dropped, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. And if this is just a broader market correction, in my opinion, or if there's better days ahead for Sui. So let's get into it. Without further ado, I do want to share with you guys the charts, and we're going to take a dive into what exactly is happening within the chart here for Sui, trading hands at that 1.0864 level. All right, so it's been a correction. We're all aware of that. We've seen this drop down from where we came from basically all-time highs at that $2.20. But what you have to understand is about Sui is, in terms of relative data, okay, they have not had a bull cycle. Okay, they have not. It's a relatively new crypto. There's a lot of people out there that, quite frankly, have not even found out about it. That, just to put it bluntly. Okay, so trading hands here at that $1.08 level, I'm not too concerned. Right, we see the support line that we're looking at right at the bottom, where we bounced off of it very nicely down here below a dollar. Okay, just very much briefly ticking below. Okay. But this is something where we're going to look at Sui for the future in 2024, 2025, and 2026. I believe it's very early for this crypto. And I know that's a very hard thing to stomach, because that is a lifetime for crypto in terms of life cycles, and days go so fast. All right, but that's how I view it. I think what they're building is very fascinating, and we're gonna get into a little bit of that as well. But let's take some time to talk about today's channel sponsor. This is Margex. Okay, if you guys want to trade on leverage, get started today. Link down below. There is a bonus for signing up using my link, as well as a giveaway, I believe, if you use the link and register for an account today. Okay, so it is leverage, so you be very careful. It's extremely volatile, so always do your own homework and due diligence when you trade any crypto, not to mention trading crypto on leverage. Okay, but Margex allows you to trade up to 100x. So for you experienced leverage traders out there, use my link down below and get signed up starting using Margex today. There's a lot of people I know that have been making a ton of money trading with Margex, especially using their copy trading aspect, where you can go literally and click that button and you can see their leaderboard with who's making the best ROE right there on Margex. So you can see right here, this trader has 1,095+% with 375 followers. Okay, that's absolutely fascinating. So check out Margex. Get started today using my link down below. But let's get back into it, all right, and talk about what lies ahead for Sui. All right, this is a article where we talk about the TVL, right? And we all know what TVL means. It's strong user activity in the user funds is being very positive for the ecosystem. So for Sui, it's tumbled about 30% from its record high earlier, and that kind of coincided with that all-time high price. But when we look into this is meaning that people are basically decreasing within user engagement, within locked funds, and it's giving it more of a broader market sentiment. Okay, but this is what you need to talk about. Okay, it's not just Sui. We've seen Bitcoin basically being the only thing resilient to this market. It stinks. Guys, quite frankly, it's a horrible market to be trading in. We can't get any consistency. I know crypto's volatile, but it just kind of stinks day in and day out, because trust me, it's a lot more fun talking about crypto when it's doing well. And right now, the Bitcoin dominance is at one of its highest peaks that we've seen, and it's the only crypto really having a day. But what's important to understand is, even if you look at where a lot of these cryptos are, and I'll bring up the chart briefly right here just once more, okay? But this is where you can see, looking at, try to get the Sui back up. Okay, so looking at this, you can see what I'm talking about. Going back in time, I mean, just briefly, we are still up from where we are at right here, right now, from all the way back, even time periods shortly after launch, okay? So it's nothing where I'm freaking out. I'm not selling all my crypto. It's just more so just crypto. It's the market, okay? That's how I view it, and it's not for the faint of heart. It's not for the weak. It's a tough task to be a crypto trader, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm staying tough. I am very bullish on Sui, though, for the future. This is something where this crypto very easily, in my opinion, can 10x. That's just my personal opinion, okay? But that's how I feel about it. I just wanted to share with you guys this drop in TVL and why we're seeing Sui showcase a little bit of this squeeze that we have going on with the broader crypto market since we've dropped from that $2.20 level, okay? So, you know, just putting it all together and realizing that we're 50% of all-time highs, we're still up from a lot of people. There's a lot of people in Sui that are still in the profit. So that's something to keep in mind moving forward. I wanted to share this video with you guys and give you guys a little bit of my thoughts as well. And that's something where we look after the Bitcoin halving, see what happens with crypto. I mean, normally we all know how it works, right? Q1, Q4, a lot of people make money trading crypto, trading stocks. It's just kind of the general nature of trading, okay? The summer, Q2, Q3, for the most part, historically have been slow, albeit we have the Bitcoin halving going on and that post halving kind of what we're going through right now. That's what's going to be interesting to see what happens because this is totally a different halving considering that we've hit all-time highs with Bitcoin just months before the actual halving has taken place. So just and not being, you know, months subsequently following the halving. So it's something to keep in mind, right? As we know, crypto is consistently changing, evolving, but Sui is definitely one of my picks personally for 2024 and beyond. So I hope you guys found some value from this video. Like I said, go check out Margex, link down below if you guys want to get started trading on leverage today. Remember to subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button as well. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.